Hello there. Yeah, hello there. Yeah, Akaze here once again. Yeah. Um, yes, we want to find out how you can protect or repair a balcony that is failing or is getting weak, over time, especially for old buildings. Yeah, so here I am in this building. This is a project that we did, completed some time ago. I just want to show you how there was a balcony actually there. So let me give you a brief rundown of what happened here. When we came to renovate this building, I noticed that one of the balconies was kind of, it didn't feel firm. So I was kind of worried and I had to call my engineer. So when he came, he did this test, he checked, he said, well, there was nothing wrong with the balcony. I said, well, okay, fine. But because I'm the kind of person I am, I like to do things for posterity's sake. I said, no, we will still do something to reinforce this balcony so that it will not, no matter what, in the next 20, 30 years, it's going to stay. So that's what we actually did. We did something to reinforce or to support the seemingly weak balcony. And when we did that, everything became well. So I'm going to take you there now so that I'll show you that's the balcony. You can see that's the balcony. I'm going to take you there and show you exactly what we did to protect or preserve the balcony. Okay, so let's go. Are you ready? Let's go. Yeah. Okay, this is what we did to protect the balcony. As you can see, that's the balcony up there. Let me go closer. That's the balcony up there. Now, what we did was that we introduced some universal beams. It's technically called universal beams. These steel iron supports just beside that AC. We created them and then we now built, also installed universal beams, horizontal ones. So you can see that, these beams are sitting on these, other beams, vertical beams, transferring the load to the ground. And you can see that the balcony itself is sitting directly on the beams. So no matter what happens, come rain, come shine, this balcony is going to be solid. Nothing is going to affect it. So this is what we did. And then to make it nice, we put down panel on the roof. So it just serves like a covered car porch. It serves as a covered car porch, or carport where you can park your car and it's covered. So this is the owner's entrance, and so this is what we did. This is how we protected and kept the balcony and make it safe for use. So this is it. So if you would like to try this out, this is a good tip for you. If you want to try this out, maybe you have a balcony that is weak. This is what you need to do. So what you need to do. You can see we did it. Okay. Till I see you next time. God bless.